Hi everyone, I'm Freddie. Today, I'm going to unbox and show you FOTILE's new Perimeter Vent Series range hood. This series comes in two sizes, the 30-inch EMG7508S-i and the 36-inch EMG9008S-i. This one is a 30-inch model. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how this hood actually helps deal with smoke, steam, and heat in real kitchens. No complicated specs, just how it works in everyday cooking. If you buy any FOTILE range hood, this is how it arrives. The box is sealed on all sides to keep everything secure during shipping. Before leaving the factory, each unit goes through drop testing, so it's protected even during long distance transportation. On the outside, you'll see the model number and serial label right here. That helps with product tracking and future service support. All right, let's open her up. Inside, everything is carefully protected with thick foam. Even the smaller accessories are packed separately so nothing moves around or gets damaged. Here we have the rubber sealing gasket and the metal exhaust transition, the wall mounting bracket, the U-shaped bracket for decorative cover, and the screw pack. Now, the metal exhaust piece is worth pointing out. You'll notice the curved design. Once installed on the top of the hood, it guides smoke smoothly into the duct, creating a tight seal, which means faster exhaust and less noise. The second layer is our patented capture shield design. I'll show you exactly where it goes and why it matters so much in a moment. The third layer is the star of the show. Quick note, this hood weighs over 60 pounds, so installation should always be done by 2 people. This is the hood body, and this is the decorative cover. The cover can be extended upward to hide the ductwork and keep everything looking clean. Make sure to keep the manual and warranty card. Now that we've seen everything that's inside the box, let's take a look at the hood once it's installed. This is what the hood looks like fully installed. The design is clean and modern, and the stainless steel finish fits easily into different kitchen styles. The smooth edges and rounded corners help reduce accidental bumps. Small details, but very practical. Now let me show you how it all works. This hood supports stove synchronization. When you turn on a compatible FOTILE cooktop or range, the hood automatically starts working. So, even if you forget to turn it on, smoke and odors are already being handled. If you don't have a FOTILE cooktop or range, no problem. You can simply wave your hand to turn the hood on or off. This is honestly one of my favorite features. Your hands can be wet or oily, and you don't have to touch the panel at all. No fingerprints, no mistouching, no mess. Of course, manual control is always available. For fan speeds, low and medium share the same button. Press once for low, press again for medium. These are perfect for simmering or boiling. You'll notice that the indicator light is brighter on the medium speed. For heavier cooking, press once for high speed, which handles smoke very effectively while staying quiet. Press and hold for 2 seconds and it switches into stir-fry mode, designed for intense cooking with heavy smoke and steam. When you finish cooking, you can wave your hand or tap the power button. The hood will keep running on low speed for 5 minutes, clearing any remaining smoke or odors. Then it will shut off automatically. If you don't want to wait, tap it again to turn it off immediately. This is the lighting button. The brightness goes up to 700 lux, covering the entire cooking area with soft, comfortable light that shows food colors accurately. This is the lock button. For cleaning, press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. That way, you can wipe the surface without accidentally activating any functions. That's the control panel. See the manual for more details. Now, let's go back to the most important part, The capture shield. Most high heat burners are placed towards the outer edges of the cooktop, and smoke, steam, and heat naturally spread outward. The capture shield creates a larger negative pressure zone around the cooking area, so smoke is captured before it escapes. That means less lingering odor, less grease in the kitchen, and no cooking smells sticking to your hair or the curtains. By the way, this hood supports Wi-Fi control and works with Google Assistant and Alexa. One feature I personally love is the vacation ventilation mode. After being away for a few days, I can turn it on through the app before I get home, and the hood refreshes the air automatically. So when I walk in, the kitchen already smells fresh. Cleaning is important, and we made it easy. The grease cup is actually integrated into the capture shield. For the 30-inch model, the panel is removable and dishwasher safe. For the larger 36-inch model, we recommend wiping it clean instead. The internal filters usually need cleaning about once every 6 months. For everyday maintenance, just use a mild cleaner and a damp cloth. One important note, because of the special oil-resistant coating, the filters should not go in the dishwasher. So this is FOTILE's new Perimeter Vent Series range hood. It's not about flashy numbers or complicated specs. It's about solving real smoke and odor issues in real kitchens. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to check it out in person. I'm Freddie, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.